Hi everyone, Flying Brian here. It's Wednesday, the 12th of February 2014. Snow is starting to fall. Fell overnight a little bit late yesterday, actually late yesterday afternoon is when it started. We got a little bit of snow on the ground. Forecast is calling for a lot more, possibly ice. And there's the backyard. You can see the woods go back quite a way. I think there's like 30 or 40 acres of woodland back there. It's kind of pretty actually. We'll keep you updated as the snow begins to fall more and more. I get some more video and we can kind of compare now and later. The ground is completely covered with snow. We just had a lot of snow come down. Big white fluffy wet flakes of snow. Now it's turned to sleet. I can hear it in the trees. It's definitely cold out. It's kind of stunning though. Okay, we'll get another measurement here in the front lawn. That looks to me about 5.5 inches. You can definitely hear it coming down through the trees. Little pellets of sleet. Road's completely covered now. I'll take a scan around, see everybody's house, what it looks like. Like great big snow cones. There's out there in our backyard there. Lots of birds. Oh, there's some tracks it looks like. Don't know what's caused those. They almost look like footprints from a person. Maybe it's a squirrel. That's got to be what it is because it stops right there at the tree and it goes up. Footprint stops, so they got to be from a squirrel. Well, stay tuned. We'll see if any more snow comes. They're actually forecasting this to continue for at least, I think, another 24 hours. So stay tuned. More to come. Another weather update. It's now Thursday, and today is the 13th of February. Snow. It's kind of a change from snow to sleet, now back into snow. It's covered all the trees with this blanket of white puffy snow. It's beautiful. The big snow cones in the front of the house are just covered with a little bit more snow. Snow is still coming down pretty hard. There's no wind, thank goodness. And let's check here. Oh gosh, it's like ice. Oh, there. 6.5 inches. Maybe about an inch more than yesterday. It's very quiet. Except for a couple of birds, crows, woodpeckers now and then. It's peaceful.